Hello, and welcome to Lesson 7 of Division. We're going to be estimating quotients. You can follow along in your Go Math book on page 167, which is Unit 4.3. I'm going to start with the first problem. Carmen likes to ski. The ski resort where she goes to ski got 3 2/10 feet of snow during a 5-day period. The average daily snow for a given number of days is the quotient of the total number of snow and the number of days. Estimate the average daily snowfall. You can estimate decimal quotients by using compatible numbers. When choosing compatible numbers, you look at the whole number part of the decimal dividend to remain the decimal dividend as tenths or hundredths. So if we estimate 3 2/10 divided by 5, Carly and her friend Marco, each find an estimate. Since the divisor is greater than the dividend, they both first rename 3 2/10 as tenths, just like it said in the statement. So 3 2/10 can look at that as 32/10. Okay, now we're going to look at Carly's estimate. 30/10 is close to 32/10 and divides easily by 5. So use basic facts to find 30/10 divided by 5. 30/10 divided by 5 is 6/10 or 0 6/10. So the average daily snowfall is about 6/10 feet. Now we're going to look at Marco's estimate. 35/10 is also close to 32/10 and divides easily by 5. Use a basic fact to find 35/10 divided by 5. So 35/10 divided by 5 is 7/10 or 0 7/10 in number form. So the average daily snowfall that Marco found is 7/10 foot. So whose estimate do you think is closer to the exact quotient? Explain your reasoning and why. Okay, Carly's estimate is 6/10 and Marco's estimate is 7/10. Explain your reasoning, talk amongst your class to decide who is closer. And also explain how you would rename the dividend 29 7/10 divided by 40 to choose compatible numbers to estimate that quotient. So you'll discuss with your class and with your teacher. So you may need to pause the video just in case. Okay, we're going to do another example. A group of 31 students is going to visit the museum. The total cost for the ticket is $76.15. About how much money will each student need to pay for a ticket? So we're going to estimate $76.15 divided by 31. So A, we're going to look for a whole number greater than the dividend. So we can use 30 for the divisor. Find a number close to and greater than $76.50 that divides easily by 30. So we're going to use 90 for the estimate of $76.15 because we can easily divide that by 30 to get 3 for $3. So each student will pay about $3 for a ticket. Okay, and then B, use a whole number less than the dividend. Use 30 for the divisor still, then find a number close to but less than $76.15 that divides easily by 30. So 60 is close to $76.15, and we're going to use 30 as the divisor again. to give us 2. 60 divided by 30 is 2. So each student will pay about $2 for the ticket. Estimating to a number bigger and then lower will give you a range where your answer should fall. So the actual ticket cost will be between $2 and $3. So if you bring $2, you're not going to have enough, but if you bring $3, you should have plenty. And now it's your turn for guided practice.